Hey everybody, I just wanted to step in here real quick. My audio wasn't picking up and I didn't realize it till after I was done recording. This is the second picture I recorded. The first one I was not happy with. I think there was too much paint on there. So the second one, I decided to go ahead and film it. Some of the paints have satin enamel in them, and some of them just have floetrol. And I swiped with Australian floetrol cell activator. So I'm going to throw in some music. I hope you enjoy. I'll put everything in the description. Okay, everybody, here are the wet results. This turned out really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? There is another canvas that I salvaged and I painted right before this, but instead of wasting paint and the canvas, I saved it. And I did it off camera, so I'll show you them both side by side when they are dry. And I'll be excited to hear what you have to say about them. So, all right, everybody, thank you for painting with me. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Okay, everybody, here they are. The one on the right is the one I did on camera, and the one is the one on the left is the one that tried my patience. And they both turned out really pretty. The one on my right is my favorite. I like the composition a little bit better. So anyways, here they are. I hope you liked them. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a beautiful day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.